Marcano Studios.
Hello guys, it's me, Noella. Today, I will talk about the peeing sound effect from Paulina Chan. It's from a video called Warning, Gotcha Pee, Sister Mimi peed herself, #GotchaPee. It was uploaded on July 21st, 2025. The duration of the sound effect is 0:33 to 0:38. And yes, the total seconds were 5. The lo-fi music will be removed at the beginning and end. Here's what it sounds like. See? That's what it sounds like. The sound effect is only used for my OCs and characters when they pee in the toilet, especially the Numberblocks characters in Marcano. Remember kids, if you want to use that sound effect, use it in your videos. It starts on 0:33 and ends on 0:38. Make sure you remove the lo-fi music at the beginning and end, okay? Also, I'll link this video right here and it will be in the description. And credit Paulina Chan before using her peeing sound effect, okay? And I will see you later.